Hi all, quick walk around of my new or nearly new Malachite Green BMW X3 M40i. Apologies for the cold, as you can see it's freezing. Lovely colour, we're very happy with it. See it glossing in the sun. It's got the comfort access, you can see it's just beeped and open because I've walked up to it. Inside we have the Cognac M Sport seats as an upgrade and the carbon fibre trim. See, it's got the 12.3 inch infotainment screen, the welcome message, and the full panoramic sunroof. Okay, obviously electric seats, etc. It's also got the 21 inch M Sport alloys with the red brake calipers. So we come around to the boot, obviously it's got the kick. Try and do it on film, but there you go. I've just double kicked it, didn't I? Try that again. As you can see, it's not easy. There you go. It's got the retractable thingamajigamy. And also here, it's got something that I'll never use. Press that button there. Retractable tow bar. I mean, how old am I? Might be useful for parking. Stop people banging in. Crazy. You can just lock it in that, obviously. There you go. I'll do another video of the infotainment in more detail, but just wanted to do a quick video for now. Thank you. See you later.